Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2019 SL550. This one's black. Underneath here it's a V8 with 382 horsepower and 391 pounds of torque. This one has 19-inch 5-stroke AMG wheels, blue calipers, black leather interior with a burl walnut trim and a burl walnut leather steering wheel. SL550 badging. Opening up the trunk. Power lift gate. Retractable hard top. Clean set of floor mats.
Acquiring GPS signal.
Heated and cooled seats. Steering wheel controls. Paddle shifters for extra performance. A built-in aftermarket radar detector. Push start ignition. Navigation. Hard keys for the radio and media display. Dual climb controls. Our button for the retractable roof. This SL550 has 49,084 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this SL550, visit us at feldmanimports.com.